Hello guys, welcome back to Wayfarer Excursions. I'm on my way to Beer and it's 30th of December. We have stopped here for the dinner and as you can see it's all foggy. Whoa!
How to reach Beer from Delhi? Well, the connectivity is really great and you can go by bus or by your own vehicle. Distance is around 520 kilometers. Road remains to be smooth even up in the hills of Kangra, Palampur and Baijnath.
So guys, finally after 14 hours of long journey we have reached to the Bee market. What history tells us that this used to be the landing site in 80s and 90s. After that the local administration took control of it, basically the Tibetans, and so the landing site now has been shifted like 1.5 kilometers from here.
If you're planning a trip here in long weekend, prior booking for stay either at this very famous hostel in Beer town or at this camping site of Gunher is recommended. Perfect spot for a perfect 31st of December.
The thing is guys, no matter where you are, HMI won't spare you. The thing is that as soon as I reached here, after a couple of videos, I was handed with an urgent piece of work. Every work is urgent, right? After the crazy party last night, we welcomed this new year with the mountains. I mean, look at this place, it's so wonderful, all camping site, plus there is a river that is flowing in here. It's second day of our trip, 1st of Jan 2021, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to paraglide. See you in the air. Take off site. थोड़ा डर लग रहा है, पर डर के आगे जीत है. That's what they say. It's unbelievable! Dream of flying. People dream of a flying start. Flying start of a new year and Wayfarer Excursions aka V people, we are doing it. Bro, it's all cool now, right?
This place is the heart of paragliding in India and surely a memorable experience, and why not, since you would be sailing at an altitude of 2400 meters. Duration of flight can vary from 15 to 25 minutes and will cost you Rs 2500 with GoPro video like this one.
ये भाई तो अलग ही लेवल पे था.
हमारे पास भाई मेरे भाई 500 ज़्यादा ले ले लेकिन मुझे लैंड करा दे आज हमारा.
Flying now has become the constant motivation. We're gonna do Italy as well.
और ये भाई next level पे है. It wasn't till 2007 that this site gained fame nationally and internationally and hosted its maiden paragliding World Cup in 2015.
It's safe landing. Thank you boys. Thank
Okay,
you.
bro.
Thank you Vishal bro.
Yes.
And after such adrenaline rush, multiple cafes are here to chill and get your breathing back. You can also visit monasteries before calling off the day.
ट्रिप का दिन है तीसरा और नेचर ने फेंका है दूसरा. It could be because it's 2nd Jan of 2021 today. What I meant by दूसरा is that it's been raining in Beer since morning and snowing in Billing. It means you cannot paraglide today. So you need to check the weather before planning a trip up here. Apart from paragliding, what people do up here is they go to Rajgunda Trek. For the Rajgunda Trek, you need to first go to Billing and then to Chena Pass by a 4x4 vehicle. After that, it's a 5 to 7 kilometers of trek. It's going to take you around 5 hours to reach up there. But in winters, normally there's a snowfall that you'll witness up till 6 feet or 7 feet. So you need to have a guide in order to plan for that. Coming to the budget, around 10,000 for 2 nights and 3 days. It's more than sufficient. It's a long weekend getaway trip from Delhi. This all from my end. Feel the nature, be in peace and tranquility with nature. Keep traveling, keep learning.